If you're a Disney fan like me, this Lego Up House is one of those sets that just makes you smile the second you see it. I couldn't resist it because Up is one of my all-time favorite Pixar movies, and this set captures the magic perfectly. It comes with almost 600 pieces, so the build itself feels really satisfying, not too simple, but not overwhelming either. What I love most are the little details, the colorful balloons, Carl's porch, even Russell's backpack, and the tiny adventure book. And of course, you get Carl, Russell, and Doug as minifigures, which makes it even more fun to bring the movie to life. Once it's built, the house is a great display piece, but it's also sturdy enough for imaginative play. I honestly had just as much fun building it as my daughter did, and it's one of those sets that feels special whether you're young or an adult collector. If you love Disney, Pixar, or just unique Lego builds, this one is definitely worth adding to your collection.